Before the opening bell, U.S. stock futures are gaining some ground as U.S. indices extend their rallies to mark all-time highs on Monday as trade optimism continued to drive market sentiment. The Dow Jones finally joining the S&P 500 and Nasdaq in making a record high on Monday, helped by shares in energy, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and transportation sectors. On the economic docket, durable goods orders released at negative 1.2%, lower than the 1.1% estimate for the September final read. This all as 69% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Uber, the top rideshare service in the U.S., declaring third quarter LPS of 68 cents, just missing the 63 cents LPS estimate on revenue of $3.8 billion. In terms of expectations today, we have Allergan, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, and Marriott International, while on the economic docket, 9:30 in the morning, we have both import and export figures and the balance of trade read for the month of September. After the bell, we have the Red Book as well as October ISM non-manufacturing PMI and September JOLTS jobs openings. Taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees 3,096 expected, while the Nasdaq sees 8285 expected, and that's in focus. The relative strength index is bullish and calls for further upside. Long positions above 8,200 are favored with targets at 8,265 and 8,285 in extension. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones expected at 27,600.